going on, everybody? Jordan here. I'm back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some products from a new company called Black Creek Beard Co., which the founder is Chris. He used to own Gungnir Grooming, but closed that down and started this new company, which we'll talk about more next. Yeah, so the owner's name is Chris. Based in the heart of the Hudson Valley, small batch handmade beard products are what Chris sells with Black Creek Beard Co. And they're mixed, poured, and bottled by hand and shipped. They were established in March 2023, so a very new company. Definitely excited to check this stuff out. Next, let's talk about the scents that are available from Black Creek Beard Co. Alright, yeah, so the first one is Pine Hollow, which is forest pine, vetiver, cedar, and campfire. Harvest Moon is apple, harvest spices, sandalwood, and vanilla. Midnight Ritual is sweet tobacco, amber, clove, and patchouli. Citra Haze, which is brand new, is orange peel, cedarwood, bergamot, bay rum. Next, let's talk about the ingredients for the beard oil as well as the beard butter. Let's keep it moving. Alrighty, yeah, so these blends are the same as Gungnir Grooming, but with different ratios for the ingredients and the each scent. So definitely expecting good things, because Gungnir Grooming was one of my favorite companies of the last couple of years. And beard oil is jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, and then fragrance oils for scent. And then the beard butter is shea butter, BTMS 25, jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, fragrance oils for scent. And then next, discuss the products that Black Creek Beard Co. currently sells. Alright, yeah, so you can get a 1 ounce beard oil for $16 US. And code JC Creation saves 10%, so definitely use that. I'll have it down below. It's just a discount code for you guys. And beard butter, which is 2 ounces, is $19 US. And then wooden beard comb is $10 US. And then they have trucker hats for $34 US. Next, let's unbox this stuff and check it out. Hop into it. First, we got the hat, super nice, branded bills, Essential 300. It's got the Black Creek Beard Co. leather patch, all black. All right, yeah, and there we go. That's how it looks. Super comfortable. Let's keep going. And then we got the beard butter. All this stuff is nicely protected, and that's the label. So nice, simple Black Creek Beard Co. Really cool design. And then it's got directions and ingredients and the website on the back, and then the scent, which is Pine Hollow. The comb, it says Black Creek Beard Co. And we got, oh cool, bunch of business cards. Those are dope. Just simple. Got the website, got the Instagram right there. Those are pretty cool. Put that in there to keep everything nice and protected. It's pretty cool. Ah, cool. And we got some stickers. Black Creek Beard Co. Very cool. Got 3 of them, exciting. And we got what I got and a note. Jordan, my brother since the start, thank you for everything, Chris. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Always love to see handwritten notes. I can smell Pine Hollow already. So that's Pine Hollow right there. Really cool labels, nice and simple. Directions and ingredients on the back, as well as the website. And we got Harvest Moon right there. It says it right on the front. And then last but not least, go. And then we got Midnight Ritual, pretty cool. Let's check out these scents. Starting off with Pine Hollow, just to review one more time. This is forest pine, vetiver, cedar, and campfire. So this one is similar to Gungnir Grooming's The Wanderer, which was my favorite scent from them. Love this one. It's definitely similar, but a little bit lighter, I would say. With The Wanderer was definitely a very heavy, smoky, woodsy scent. This one's a bit lighter because of the vetiver and the cedar. Oh yeah, that's nice. And then we've got Harvest Moon, which is green apple, harvest spices, sandalwood, and vanilla, which is based off of Fat-Fused Blood, which is another banger that I really enjoyed. Similar, definitely. I definitely get that sweetness still, but it's a bit more, I get a bit more of the spice. It's a bit more spice and woodsy. Oh yeah, very nice. And then we got Midnight Ritual, which is sweet tobacco, amber, clove, and patchouli, and this is based off Mimir's Whisper, but with modifications to it. Yeah, earthy, sweet, warm. Yep, definitely gonna enjoy these. Just take a look at the butter. 2 ounce tin. That's what it looks like, nice and smooth. Gonna start testing this either tonight or tomorrow, but definitely excited for that. And then this comb is pretty cool, just a simple wooden comb for short beards. Yeah, works well. Great for keeping with you on the go. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, yeah, so in this video I unboxed 6 products from Black Creek Beard Co. Use code JC Creations to save 10%. And yeah, really cool labels. Scents are awesome so far. Definitely excited to check them out in beard. This hat's super good quality. Beard comb works well. Yeah, shout out to Chris for including this hat and the comb along with the stuff that I got. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and comment down below what you thought. If you tried Gungnir Grooming, if you've already bought stuff from Black Creek Beard Co., definitely recommend checking them out based on my experience with Gungnir Grooming. Chris makes really good stuff. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.